Here's a Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. I'm going to show you how to find my phone as well as how to find my watch. Okay, now I'm using a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So first thing, and also you have to be connected to the app, okay, and it's Bluetooth range, so about 30 feet. So first thing is we're going to go ahead and find my phone. Okay, grab your watch, scroll down like that. Now move over to the left until you see like a magnifying glass. There it is right there. Let's tap on that. And then from here, you can stop here or you can stop here. Also, even if your phone's on silent, it's still going to ring and vibrate, okay? Now, let's find my watch. Go ahead and go to your Galaxy Wearable app. It's in my Samsung folder here. Galaxy Wearable right there. And then from here, just scroll down a little bit and it says Find My Watch. Tap on that right there. Tap on Start. And it rings and vibrates. Okay, you can stop there or you can go ahead and stop there as well. Okay, pretty simple. Questions or issues, just comment below.